so much. For some, going to the dentist is part of the routine. For others, the mere mention of the D word makes their hairs on their arm raise, their blood pressure rises. So why the heck do people get so stressed about going, into their mouth and getting everything in check? Well, our next guest has the answer to that and how to overcome it as well. Dr. Joel Stokes is here from Eastern Canyon Dental. He joins us now. How are you, sir?
I'm amazing.
I'm not afraid of you, for what it's worth.
I'm not afraid of you either.
Well, barely. I try to not be fearful. Tell us, I mean, you obviously see a lot of people. You see some people that are a little more scared than others. What are the top reasons you hear that people are worried about going to the dentist?
Well, first of all, it's fear of the unknown.
Yeah.
You're going into a strange environment to somebody that you've never met before. Mm-hmm. And you just don't know how you're going to be treated. Dentistry itself has kind of I hate to say negative connotation, but a lot of people have that feeling by going to the dentist. But I'd rather have a baby than go to the dentist.
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly.
and so the most important thing to do is be able to sit down with your dentist before you do anything and establish a feeling of trust. Mm-hmm. When trust, the feeling of trust rises, the feeling of stress goes down. Mm-hmm. All the fears and everything are stress-based. And once we can help people overcome that, and that's by having a patient come in and getting to know me and know my staff and know what they can expect. The other thing too is a lot of people have just given up. They've had multiple dental problems, and they've just let them go, and they're afraid of being criticized. Yeah. And a lot of people do that to patients, like, how can you let that happen? Yeah, yeah. We never criticize anybody. We're there to help make it better. Mm-hmm. You can't make people feel better by making them feel worse.
No question.
True.
And I'm assuming some people, that's why they just avoid the chair in total, is because they feel like it's gone too far. But then they have to live with this, and
sure.
Society believes that as well.
And not only that, it's a basic health problem.
Yeah.
I mean, I just recently had a fellow that I told him about a year ago that he really needed to have some things done, or something bad's going to happen.
Yeah.
And so it did. One of them wound up in the hospital.
Wow.
With an infection. The other one wound up and had 17 teeth removed in one day. A young patient.
My goodness.
He let it go, let it go. And those are things that we can head off at the pass.
Yeah.
If we get it early, we can do a lot for these people.
Absolutely.
And we can turn it around without criticism, without negative. It's an opportunity for us to help somebody be better.
And if you get in late, you can get in without criticism as well. It takes a little more work.
Yeah.
But you're always here is basically what the point is.
That's true. We just find out what stage somebody's at, and we make some recommendations about how to remediate those problems.
And let's talk about some of those recommendations. Let's start with veneers.
Porcelain veneers is something that I really have a passion for. Mm-hmm. Porcelain veneers are little they're laboratory manufactured porcelain overlays. Mm-hmm. And we can do phenomenal things with those. We can change the smile, we can close spaces, we can fix chipped teeth. In many cases, we can do these things without even local anesthetic. I have an office member that we rebuilt some teeth that were chipped and worn down with no anesthetic, no shots.
By the way, I know you're at home and saying no anesthetic doesn't hurt.
Well, it depends on the particular case. With the porcelain veneers, sometimes you have to reduce a little tooth, you reshape the teeth in order to be able to create the effect and the visual effect that you want. Most people do this because they want to look better.
Of course.
And if they look better, they feel better.
Implants are another thing that you specialize in.
We do have implant capability where teeth are missing. We go through, this is like a diagrammatic thing of an implant. We're actually a titanium cylinder is placed down in the bone, and we let the bone grow to it. And after that happens, then we can actually place what we call an abutment. It's a tooth replacement part, and the crown goes on top of that. Wow. And we've done cases where we do whole arches, we do single teeth, implant-supported bridges, and things like that.
We get 45 seconds left, which is apropos, because another thing that people say is they don't have enough time to get it done, and they don't have enough money to get it done.
True.
What's the case for that?
Well, if we're talking about dentistry in general, the longer you wait, the more it costs. And it's not just a financial cost, it's a physical cost. It's a health cost. As far as the time, somebody comes in, we sit down, we set up a treatment sequence with the porcelain veneers. Many times we can do those in 2 visits.
Awesome.
About 10 days apart, and the visits are, with an hour, hour and a half each. And I just love doing those because the results are so spectacular.
We're running out of time. Want to make sure I get to the special offers. Let's talk about it.
We do have a special offer on porcelain veneers. My laboratory is phenomenal. They've worked with me. We're offering a set of 6 veneers or more. We're offering a $500 credit towards that procedure.
Wow.
Okay, so call the office. Gigi's over there, and Janeth and Lily, and they'll be happy to take care of you.
Worth noting, he also offers free emergency visits as well.
If somebody has a dental problem, you can come on. We'll give you a free emergency visit. Come on in, and we'll help you get out of pain.
It's great having you as always. Thank you so much, Doctor.
It's always a pleasure.
He's not scary, I promise. Go see him. Eastern Canyon Dental. He's located on Southeastern, just south of Wigwam. He's a pleasant guy. Visit thevegasdentist.com or call the number on your screen for more information. Eastern Canyon Dental, proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.